Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and today I am going to give you some special method, and this method is offline method. By this method you can unlock your smartphone's forgotten pin pattern and password lock. It means if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone, but still now you are not success. So don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but you will have to watch the every step properly, because the every step what I'm going to give you is most important to unlock your smartphone. So let's start this method. Before starting this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. I mean to say, your phone's all the videos, datas and application will be deleted if your smartphone is not charged at least 30%. Okay, so let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you will have to switch your phone on offline mode. Okay, it means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off. And for this you will have to switch on your phone's airplane mode, or if you're not getting the option of airplane mode option, so you will have to eject your SIM card from your smartphone. Okay, so you can see here, simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate this option. Now you can see here, after activating this option, my phone's all the network has been switched off. It means my smartphone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here, this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock. Now you will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this to open your phone's dialing pad. Okay, now you can see your phone's dialing pad has been appeared. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page. Okay, and this USSD code is star hash 899 and hash. Okay, now you can see here an engineer's mode option page is open on your phone display, and you will get a lots of options, and all the options have the specific functions to modify your smartphone. But in this video I will only give you a method how you can unlock your smartphone. Okay, so after this, simply you will have to go with the option of a software version, and when you will click on this, it will reach to a new page, and the first option is showing here. You can see here your phone's model number is showing, so simply you don't have to go with this. The second option is showing here your phone's Android version. Okay, it means if your phone is showing here Android version 11 or 10 or 13, so don't worry. If your smartphone is showing here Android version 10, you will have to click on this option 10 times. But here you can see my phone is showing here Android version 12, so I will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, now the first process has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button. Okay, now you can see here on another option is above the software version is showing here manual test option. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is again engineers mode page. You will get three type of option, but don't go with any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone right side and continue slide until you reach to the option of others. You can see here others option has been appeared. Now you can see here there is an option of a database version showing at the fourth number. Simply you will have to click on this option 4 times 4. Okay, now the second process has been done. Okay, now you can see here the second option is showing here read that important lock test option at the second number. Simply you will have to click on this. It will ask to confirm here, but before confirm this, you will have to feed some special codes by which your phone's forgotten pin pattern and password will be removed, and this special code is star hash 813 hash star and hash star. You can take a screenshot of this special secret code star hash 813 hash star, and after feeding this number here, you will have to confirm with the OK button. Okay, now when you will confirm this with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means the last step what I'm going to give you, after this your phone will be removed. Your phone all the forgotten pin pattern and password will be removed. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to continue slide your smartphone until you reach to the option of device debugging option. Okay, now you will get a lots of option in this page, but simply you will have to go with the option of a gyroscope option which is showing here. You can see here this is the gyroscope option. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will have to go with the gyroscope self test. Simply you will have to start this test, and when you will start this, it will take some time, so for testing you will have to wait here. Now you can see here you will get an option of a pass. It means your phone's now ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and after this simply you will have to again reach to the option of others. Now you can see here there is an option of a reading reset complete indicator. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will get a pop-up of a pass. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the home page, simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your smartphone has been locked or not. So I'm going to click here. You can see here this phone is completely unlocked, and the main thing is that all the application and the photos which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then join us our channel and our team will continue help you with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.